What's up, everybody? We're going to Adams kart track for the drift night tonight. It's a drift and time attack, so yeah, I don't know if any of you guys have ever seen that place, but a lot of drifter guys go there, right?
Yeah,
like pro drifters.
everybody.
Yeah, they've all been there. Even Wheeler Dealer. Even Wheeler Dealer has been there, so that's pretty cool. I mean, I think Adams is like one of the most like chill tracks. They let you do anything there. That's why people all decide to go there. But we're gonna go check it out tonight. Record some cool stuff for you. Hopefully they do some drifting. Hopefully they do some time attack, and we'll take you along. All right, so we're close to Adams now. It's in Riverside, Adams kart track, and it didn't look like there was too many people. I think the scene's kind of died down a little bit, but hopefully
wants the exhaust ticket.
Yeah. Nobody wants that exhaust ticket. So then hopefully they got some good cars, some cool cars for us. We'll see. All right, y'all. It's cold as hell out here, but they just started. Let's watch them.
Yes, there's nobody here, yo.
GTO. NC Miata. Honda Civic. Challenger. He about to drift. This guy about to drift. And then a Ford Focus. That's all that's out tonight. Look hella fun though. Damn, wish I was out there. Dude, that Focus is on that fool's ass. That fool is too strong.
You need to let the focus off. I know we're here, but everybody's still gotta do their job, you know?
Alright guys, who do you think is gonna be the fastest?
The Miata.
The Miata? Sam?
Sorry, I think
The Ford Focus?
The Honda Civic.
The Honda Civic? The Fast and Furious black Honda Civic EJ or whatever? I think, I don't know.
So who's good at crash?
Maybe that GTO. That GTO probably pretty quick. Challenger's too strong. Oh, there we go. There we go. I don't know what this is. Tesla? Some sort of Tesla or what? It is a Tesla. It is a Tesla. Here comes the GTO. Woo! Damn! It's a Honda Civic? I freaking love this little dude. Don't let this distract you from the fact. Oh, Dory. Damn. Hey, what happened, bro? You stuck? Broke the axle. Oh, here we go.
Too bad you can't bust a donut out there.
Oh, they're doing 3 at a time.
Oh, it is, huh?
Yeah.
I'm thinking this shit over there.
I really like this little Honda Civic.
Shit about to get low.
I know.
That's too much work to set up.
Yeah. Okay. Go, little Civic, go. No drifting. Tesla's quick.
Hear that
Honda Civic's giving it all. Giving it its all.
guy? that Tesla just
That Tesla is flying. That's how you get away from the cops. Alright. Last one for this Civic.
We got it from here, man. One of the rare Civics that doesn't sound like a fart can. See on your car and drip.
That was pretty fun. Just watching other people drive. One of these days I'll get my own car out here. There we go. A new set of drivers. Miata.
Ooh, that's a lot of body work.
Stock Miata NC.
This guy,
Really? Wow, Challenger?
Yeah,
That thing is quick. Look, see, he's too fast. He's too strong. He can't control it. Fast. What is this? The Focus? Oh! Focus is fast. Look at that. But that Miata is so smooth.
If you have better suspension,
Yeah, here it comes. Oop, 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 oop. There's a little more power. Watch him take that corner. Ooh, this guy's the fun one. There's a lot of braking. Whoa, whoa, drift, drift. Whoa, 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 whoa. He gets there fast. This guy caught up, see? He caught up, see? He caught up already. That guy need to get out the way with all his braking. You lose him on the straight though, that's all. Yeah, that Focus is catching up. Oh, he caught up. He caught up. Look at it, he got up already.
over there is like a little.
Yeah, a little loop-de-loop. This guy look like he's having the most fun.
Final lap.
Is the final lap ready? See, that guy got.
Feeling his time.
Oh, yeah.
What's more fun? You need good time or just smash it on this guy?
Nah, I think the Focus had way more fun than that dude. That dude is just.
Yeah, I see on the straights.
On the straights, you can't keep up, but anything else, he's gonna dominate that fool. Okay, you can't lose him, man.
That's like all the cars. There's Daddy.
We shall see. Who else? Who else is coming? Honda Civic. This is a Ninja. Ninja Tesla. Stealthy. You turn your lights off, you can't even tell he's there. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Mr. N.
Batman at night. That's the next Batmobile, the Tesla. Oh!
They can't say they start drifting, right? The car's
Come on, Hector. Running spoon engine, guys. All right, so the Miata is now in front with the Focus chasing it. Here we go. That Challenger was just in the way. Let's see, he's pretty quick. Man, he's quick, dude. Here comes Big Bertha. Look at, he has to go hella slow.
Stay in a lower gear.
Yeah, that Miata is freaking committed. Focus is coming up quick though. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You know, those 3 people is nerve-wracking having people watch it. He's trying hard to get that.
I think you got some dude in the passenger. No?
He's not getting to him.
Oh. Oh, wrong night. Drift night was tomorrow. Is it tomorrow?
I think tomorrow.
Drift night's tomorrow. I ain't gonna lie though, that car looks like a lot of fun, huh? Yeah, look how close the Focus is now. That's a better turn. I think the Miata is the smoothest.
Yeah. If he just had better suspension, he'd be really fast.
This dude is struggling. Ooh, did he pop something?
He could pop his shit on that. It sounded like that earlier too. He might just be like chirping second gear.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Yeah, LSD up in there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that Tesla is freaking fast. I wonder what kind of engine he has, huh?
Probably B-series.
Whoa, Dory. Drift this, please. Drift. He's the most interesting because he's the most unstable. All right. So what do you guys think?
Two round of cars.
What was that?
Not enough cars.
Not enough cars, huh? But it's a cold night.
This is a good night for us to come though.
I know, if we were gonna come drive. Parking lot's pretty empty. It's not really a wind chill. This dude is quick. He's tall as heck, bro. He's quick. This is the guy, man. If anybody's gonna crash, it's gonna be him. Oh, there it is.
Imagine you live right here.
Man, that means free show every
Would you be
Thursday,
annoyed
Friday.
or? Well, we probably wouldn't be.
Nah, if I lived here, I'd bust donuts right here in this little street right here. Every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It wasn't that cool, huh? I mean, it was cool though.
It was cool. It's just kind of dead today.
It was kind of dead, but got to see some cars. I like the Miata. Miata was quick, light, and nimble, and then a little Honda Civic. It was like Toretto, and then trying to steal the box TVs back of them.
Get a shot of the track.
Oh man, it's pretty dope. All right, hold on. All right, guys. Hopefully, we'll be able to bring you guys more of that stuff. The track is only like 15 minutes, or 15 minutes from my house. So we'll try to make it to as many of those as we can, especially the drift nights. And I think those are popping. Yeah. A little more popping. Some nights are like what is it? What do you guys say it was like? Tokyo Drift. And they got a DJ and everything. So if you guys ever want to come out, it's in the Empire in Riverside County called Adams Motorsport Park, was it? Adams Motorsport Park. So look it up. Save them on Facebook.